So content optimization is another common factor of on-page SEO, and why content optimization is a must. If you don't optimize your content for Google, people are unlikely to find it. On the other hand, you should optimize for search engines only. You need to focus on both readers and search engines at the same time. So it cannot be like you are just focusing on the reader or you are focusing on the search engine. You have to focus on both readers and the search engines. Research your keywords. Why is keyword research important? It helps you to find new topic ideas. It helps you to find phrases that are popular, relevant, and easy to rank. Understand that what people are interested in. So basically, keyword research is going to tell you that what people are searching for and how many of them. So when you are utilizing focused keywords for your blogs, you need to do research for the keywords. If you are utilizing the keywords, using the keywords for your blogs or your for your website without the research, you might not get the ideal results, the ideal SEO results. So you need to focus on researching the keywords. So here you can see the evolution of keywords research. In the 2000s, the SEO was more about keyword stuffing, focus on search volume, and thin content was sufficient. So these are the updates of SEO, Google, Panda, Penguin, Hummingbird, and today's the 2020 the today's world. You need to focus on quality keywords. You need to focus on topical keyword research, and you need to focus on the importance of search intent. So from 2000s and today, you can compare that. If you are doing keyword stuffing in today's SEO world, you will fail. You have to focus on quality content. So this is how the evolution of keyword research have changed, and this is the evolution of keyword research.